Have you ever wondered how a single scent can instantly transport you back to a forgotten memory, a childhood moment, a lost love, or even a place you thought you'd never recall again? What if I told you that your nose holds a kind of hidden library capable of remembering over 50,000 different odors? That's right, your sense of smell carries one of the most powerful, yet least understood, connections to your memory and emotions. Welcome to Adventure into the Unknown, where we explore the world's most fascinating mysteries and untold stories. If you're enjoying our journey, please take a moment to like, share, and subscribe. It's free and it helps us create more incredible adventures for you. Thank you for your support. Now, let's dive deeper into this incredible world where science, memory, and emotion intersect. The mysterious power of our sense of smell, the hidden power of smell. For most of us, vision and hearing seem to dominate our perception of the world. We rely on our eyes to navigate, our ears to communicate, and often take our sense of smell for granted. Yet, beneath the surface, smell is doing something extraordinary. Unlike other senses, smell has a direct pathway to the brain's emotional and memory centers. When you breathe in a scent, chemical molecules travel to the olfactory bulb, located just above the nasal cavity. From there, the signals are transmitted to the amygdala and hippocampus, regions responsible for processing emotions and forming memories. This explains why smelling freshly baked bread might remind you of your grandmother's kitchen, or why a whiff of perfume can instantly bring back the memory of a first date. It's not coincidence, it's biology. But why does smell have such a strong connection to memory? And why can our brains store tens of thousands of these odors? The library of 50,000 scents. Scientists estimate that the human nose can distinguish over 50,000 different scents, from the earthy aroma of rain hitting dry soil to the metallic tang of blood, from the sweetness of vanilla to the pungency of gasoline. Each odor is like a unique chemical fingerprint. The receptors in your nose, about 400 different types, can combine in countless ways to identify and store smells in memory. It's almost like having an enormous catalog system in your brain, where every odor is linked not just to its chemical structure, but also to the experiences and emotions tied to it. Imagine, one scent doesn't just trigger recognition, it unlocks an emotional story, a time, a place, a person. And this connection between scent and memory is not just poetic. It's been proven in numerous scientific studies, science of smell and memory. In neuroscience, this phenomenon is often referred to as the Proustian memory effect, named after French writer Marcel Proust. In his novel In Search of Lost Time, he describes how tasting a simple Madeleine cake dipped in tea unlocked an avalanche of childhood memories. Modern research confirms this. In experiments, participants exposed to certain scents recalled memories with more vividness and emotion than when triggered by visual or auditory cues. For example, the smell of sunscreen often brings stronger memories of summer vacations than looking at a photograph of the beach. The scent of pine can evoke Christmas more powerfully than hearing a holiday song. Smell seems to act as a shortcut, bypassing conscious effort and going straight to the emotional core. But beyond nostalgia, smell has surprising roles in survival and daily life. Smell as a survival tool. Long before modern civilization, our ancestors relied on smell to stay alive. Detecting spoiled food, sensing predators, or identifying safe environments often meant the difference between life and death. Even today, our noses quietly protect us. Smelling smoke alerts us to fire. Detecting gas can prevent disaster. The sharp odor of spoiled milk prevents illness. Smell also shapes human interaction. Studies suggest we unconsciously detect pheromones and body odors, which may influence attraction, trust, and even social bonding. Without realizing it, our sense of smell is guiding decisions and behaviors every day. Yet, while smell is powerful, it's also fragile, and sometimes losing it can have profound consequences. When smell disappears, For those who experience anosmia or the loss of the sense of smell, life can feel strangely incomplete. Without scent, food tastes dull, danger signals disappear, and emotional memory becomes muted. During the COVID-19 pandemic, millions of people experienced temporary or long-term loss of smell, making the world feel flat, sterile, and disconnected. For many, it was a stark reminder of how deeply smell shapes the richness of daily life. Scientists continue to study how to restore or enhance the sense of smell, exploring therapies that could one day unlock lost olfactory memories again. But smell isn't just science and survival, it's culture, art, and even myth. Smell in culture and myth throughout history, scents have carried symbolic and spiritual significance. In ancient Egypt, perfumes and incense were used in rituals believed to connect humans with the divine. In many religious traditions, the burning of incense is seen as a bridge between the earthly and the sacred. Myths often describe gods and spirits being drawn by certain fragrances. Even today, entire industries from perfumery to aromatherapy rely on the deep emotional impact of smell. A simple fragrance can make us feel relaxed, energized, or comforted. And while culture celebrates scent, modern science is still uncovering its mysteries. The mystery of the olfactory brain, despite decades of research, scientists still don't fully understand how the brain can store and recall such a vast library of scents. Unlike vision, where we can map how the eye perceives color, smell remains elusive. Each odor can trigger unique receptor combinations, creating what some scientists call a smell fingerprint. But how does the brain organize and retrieve 50,000 different odor memories so quickly? That's still one of neuroscience's great unknowns. Some researchers believe smell may even influence dreams or subconscious decision-making in ways we have yet to measure. So what does this all mean for us as individuals living our everyday lives? The human nose may seem simple, but it holds an extraordinary legacy, the ability to connect us with our past, enrich our present, and even shape our survival. Every scent is more than a chemical reaction. It's a story, a memory, a spark of emotion waiting to be unlocked. The next time you catch the scent of rain, flowers, perfume, or food cooking in the kitchen, pause for a moment. That fragrance may be carrying you across time, connecting you to experiences buried deep within your memory. Our nose doesn't just smell the world, it remembers it. Now, I want to hear from you. What is one smell that instantly brings back a powerful memory for you? Share your story in the comments below. Your experience might inspire someone else to rediscover the hidden power of their own sense of smell.